All right, so I get questions about cages a lot. Here's one that we took out of a PCA Club Racing 911. Been raced by at least 3 owners that I know of. This cage had been in it the whole time. Very poorly done. I actually got asked to do it by another shop, and I kind of regret doing it, to be honest with you, but that's a whole nother story in another video. But through 3 owners, this is the front hoop. No, I'm sorry, the roof hoop. So in case of a rollover, this is what you would have needed to protect you. This would have been the driver's area right here. So this is above the driver's head. Driver's head would sit right here. And you can see that weld is not all the way through as it should be. There's tricks and ways to make that correct. But obviously the person did not. This is the cross tube that also protects the driver. Its weld is not all the way through. And this is on the passenger side. Above, if you were riding passenger in the car, which this car did many Ds that I know of, and had many people riding in it passenger, and it did not have any weld there either. Left a little bit of a stick still, but that's it. So this is an example of a very poorly done cage. This is only the part of the top hoop. There was equally parts on the rest of the cage in the obvious places where welders cheat to not completely weld their cages. But I get asked to inspect cages, and amazing how many PCA legal cars and SCCA and NASA legal cars are running around with non-legal cages, because one of the stipulations of the rules is that you must have welds that fully go around the tubes. And obviously these 3, which are the only 3 welds on this section, are not welded. So this one is going to the scrap metal yard. Please don't do your cage like this. Your safety is worth much, much more. Get a good cage builder. Don't do it yourself if you can't get around there. There's tricks and ways to do it. Have a great day.